preparing to annotate a drawing. This tutorial demonstrates how to perform some optional tasks that can make annotating your drawing easier. Exercise 1. Attaching drawings as ECRFs for annotation. In this exercise, you will attach several drawings to one drawing. By attaching drawings, you can annotate multiple large objects in a single compact drawing. Attach drawings as ECRFs for annotation. Using Windows Explorer, navigate to the Tutorials Drawings folder. Select all of the drawings that have names beginning with labels dash. Click Edit menu, Copy. Navigate to the My Civil 3D Tutorial Data folder. Click Home tab, Clipboard panel, Paste drop-down, Paste. In a later exercise, you will modify some of the externally referenced drawings. To make the modifications, the drawings must be in a location to which you have write access. Open labels 1a.dwg, which you saved in the My Civil 3D Tutorial Data folder in Step 2. In Tool Space, on the Prospector tab, expand the Labels 1a drawing. Although a surface with an outside boundary is displayed in the drawing window, notice that the surfaces collection is empty. The surfaces collection is empty because the composite surface is an external reference, or XREF. The surface data, which is quite large, exists in a separate drawing. Tip: in large projects that have multiple surfaces, each surface object should reside in its own drawing. For example, the existing ground surface should exist in one drawing, with other drawings containing data references to it. For example, the proposed ground surface should exist in its own drawing, with a data reference to the existing ground surface. On the command line, enter XREF. In the External References dialog box, notice the difference in size between the current drawing and the externally referenced drawing that contains the surface. While the surface object appears in the current drawing, the size of the current drawing is a fraction of the surface drawing. Using ECRFs, you can use data from another drawing without actually inserting the data. In the External References palette, click the arrow next to. Click Attach DWG. Notice that you can also attach a drawing from Vault. In the Select Reference File dialog box, navigate to the My Civil 3D Tutorial Data folder. Select the drawings labels alignments.dwg and labels parcels.dwg. Click Open. In the External Reference dialog box, make sure that the following settings are selected. Reference type, attachment. This setting specifies that the ECRFs remain with the current host drawing if the current drawing is attached as an XREF to another drawing. If overlay is selected, ECRFs that exist in the drawing are ignored if the drawing is attached to another drawing as an XREF. Path type, relative path. This setting specifies that if you move the current and referenced drawings to another location, the references are less likely to be lost. Tip: before creating an XREF, make sure that the referenced drawings are saved in the same directory as the current drawing. Important: attached ECRFs must have the following settings. If the insertion point, scale, or rotation is different from the current drawing, the Autodesk Civil 3D labels will not work. Insertion point, specify on screen, clear. Scale, specify on screen, cleared. Scale, uniform scale, selected. Rotation, specify on screen, cleared. Click OK. The alignments and parcels appear in the drawing window, and the drawings in which they reside are in the external references palette. Close the external references palette. Note, when you attach the ECRIFs, a message may be displayed at the status bar indicating that there are unreconciled layers. Exercise 2, Exploring the annotation tools on the ribbon. In this exercise, you will learn how to locate annotation tools on the ribbon tabs. This exercise continues from exercise 1, attaching drawings as ECRIFs for annotation. Examine the Annotate tab. Click the Annotate tab. This tab contains both Autodesk Civil 3D and standard AutoCAD annotation tools. Click Labels and Tables panel. Add Labels drop-down. Notice that the menu consists of label and table commands for the Autodesk Civil 3D features. You can access the label or table commands for each feature directly from this menu. Press ESC. Click Add Labels. In the Add Labels dialog box, you can select the feature, label type, and label style. This dialog box enables you to easily switch these settings as needed while annotating your drawing. You will use this dialog box throughout the labels tutorials. Click Close. Examine the Object tabs. Click Modify tab. Ground Data Panel Surface. Click Surface tab. Labels and Tables panel. Add Labels drop-down. Notice that the menu consists of label and table commands for surfaces only. Each Object tab contains an object-specific list of label and table commands.